In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay on Taobao using Alipay 2025 step by step. If you shop on Taobao, connecting your account to Alipay makes checkout faster and more secure. I'll guide you through logging in, finding the right settings, binding your Alipay, and confirming everything works. You'll need your Taobao login and access to the mobile number registered with your Alipay account, since a verification code will be sent there. Start by opening your browser and going to loginin.taobao.com. Sign in using the method you prefer, password, an SMS one-time code, or a QR code from the app. Any of these will get you into your account, so choose whatever is easiest and make sure two-factor prompts are completed if they pop up. Once you're in, move your mouse to your profile area at the top corner of the page. From the menu, open Account Management or Account and Security. The exact label can vary, but you're looking for the main account settings page where security and link services live. On that page, look for the section related to Alipay. It may say Alipay Binding, Bind Alipay, or Alipay Account Management. Click into that section to start connecting the two accounts. You'll be asked to confirm the phone number that's registered with your Alipay. Choose your country code from the list, then enter your number. If your local format begins with a 0, omit that leading 0 here. Make sure the number matches the one on your Alipay profile. Otherwise, you won't receive the verification text. Next, complete the slider verification. Drag the puzzle piece across until it snaps into place. If it resets, just try again slowly and make sure the piece aligns. Alipay will then send a 6-digit SMS code to the number you entered. Type that code into the Taobao page right away, as these codes expire quickly. If the message is delayed, wait a moment and request a new code only if needed. Never share these codes with anyone. You'll now see a prompt asking you to authorize Taobao to connect with your Alipay account. Review the request and confirm by selecting Agree, Confirm, or Authorize. If your interface is in Chinese, the button may read Tongyi or Kuiding. They mean agree or confirm. If you don't see the prompt, make sure your browser isn't blocking pop-ups. After authorization, you should see a success status indicating Alipay is bound. From here on, checkout is smoother, payments are faster, and you may be auto-logged into Alipay during payment. That's it. You've linked Taobao and Alipay and are ready for quicker, more convenient purchases.